want to change what's on the inside of this rectangle. So I've selected this rectangle, and you can tell I've selected it as there's the blue outline. And I'm going to go over to the right-hand menu, and where it says fill, right under it, I'm going to click on this actual color, that gray. And now I can choose what color I want to make it. And I can use this rainbow slider to choose color that I like. Then I can choose that shade or hue, and then I could also make it more or less transparent as I want. If you've been following along with the tutorials, your board should look something like this, and now you should have a rectangle that has been changed to a different color. You can use the color I used, but you could also just pick any color you like. Could be black, could be red, could be anything other than what it originally was.